We've all been there. You try to get a quick answer on a website, only to get trapped in an endless loop with a little chat bubble that keeps demanding you rephrase your question. If you run a business, that annoying, unhelpful pop-up is likely the first thing that comes to mind when you hear the word chatbot. But that single word actually covers two entirely different technologies that work in completely different ways. When businesses treat these as the same thing, they often end up with an automated system that frustrates their customers instead of helping them. To see why some bots feel like a dead end while others feel like a natural conversation, we need to look at the engines driving them. The first category is the rule-based chatbot. These systems operate on a strict pre-programmed script. It works like a digital flowchart. Type a keyword like price, and the bot follows a track to a pre-programmed answer. But if a customer uses a different word, like cost, it doesn't see a match. The conversation halts. These systems require humans to speak like computers, which rarely happens in a real conversation. Without the ability to interpret a sentence, these bots remain limited to the exact phrases a programmer thought of in advance. Then there are AI-powered chatbots. These systems use advanced language models. Think of them as massive digital libraries that understand how different words relate to each other, moving past rigid rules. Instead of hunting for one specific keyword, the AI reads the entire sentence to identify what the customer is actually trying to do. Humans have a dozen ways of asking for the same thing, saying how much, what's the pricing, or is it expensive? The AI recognizes all three mean the same thing, providing the correct answer to all. This creates a natural interaction. The customer gets to speak normally, and the bot responds like a helpful assistant rather than a fixed menu. By focusing on meaning rather than just matching characters, these bots bridge the gap between human speech and business automation. Imagine it's 11 p.m., you're fast asleep, but a potential customer is on WhatsApp asking if you deliver to their specific neighborhood. A rule-based bot would likely fail here, offering a generic out-of-office message or a list of options that doesn't answer the question. An AI bot understands the specific location being asked about, checks your delivery zones, and answers the customer instantly. This provides you with an ever-awake assistant that can handle highly specific inquiries at any hour of the night. Most customers today expect an answer right away. They generally won't wait until the next morning to hear back from a business. This is where silence becomes a problem. If a customer doesn't get a helpful response from you, they will often take their business elsewhere in a matter of seconds. An AI chatbot serves as a safety net, ensuring that every inquiry is met with a real answer. To see how this kind of AI setup would work for your own website or WhatsApp account, click the link below this video. By putting an intelligent system in place, you can stay responsive to your customers, whether you are asleep, in a meeting, or simply busy running your business.